Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to understand how to set up Webhook inside Mixmax. So Mixmax is a productivity tool designed to enhance your email experience, especially for professionals using Gmail. It offers features like email tracking, scheduling, templates and automated workflows to help streamline communication and follow-ups. People use Mixmax because it makes managing emails more efficient and helps boost productivity by integrating with tools like Salesforce and Slack. So whether you are scheduling meetings, sending personalized emails, or automating tasks, Mixmax helps you stay organized and save time. So here in this video, we are going to understand that how you can connect your Mixmax account with Pabbly Connect in order to send the information from your Mixmax account to Pabbly Connect on a specific event. So here let's suppose that I use Mixmax to receive new bookings for a meeting. So here in this case I want, whenever I receive a new meeting booking, then automatically I should receive that meeting details on my WhatsApp message. So here to build this entire process, I need to connect my Mixmax account with my WhatsApp Cloud API. And here to build this connection, I need to use an automation software that is Pabbly Connect. So here to build this connection, firstly I need to connect my Mixmax account with Pabbly Connect. And here to build this connection, I'm going to use a type of integration that is Webhook. So here Webhook is going to act as a bridge between my Mixmax account and Pabbly Connect in order to send the information from my Mixmax account to Pabbly Connect on a specific event. Also, you can say that webhooks are like an instant messengers for apps. So here, before moving forward with this connection, here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is the response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our connection by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as Mixmax. So here I'm going to select it. And now here it is asking me to select my trigger event. So here for my trigger event, I'm going to select my trigger event as meeting invitation confirmed. So here I'm going to select this trigger event so that whenever I'm going to receive a new meeting confirmation, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture a response. But you can set your trigger for email activities where it will capture the response for whenever an email is opened, sent or received. Also, you can set the trigger event for poll voted on, unsubscribe link clicked, or meeting invitation confirmed. So here I'm going to select my trigger event as meeting invitation confirmed. And here you can see after selecting my trigger event, here it has given me a webhook URL. That means here I need to use this webhook URL to connect my Mixmax account with Pabbly Connect. So here following the instructions given below, firstly here I'm going to copy this webhook URL. And here I've already logged in my Mixmax account. And from here I'm going to click on this rule option given in the left side bar. And from here, I'm going to click on this new rule button given over here. And from here, I'm going to set this new rule. So for that, firstly, I need to give a name to my rule. So here, I'm going to give the name as new meeting. And then here for the trigger, I'm going to select my trigger as meeting. And here for my meeting action, I'm going to select my meeting is confirmed. So here I'm going to select this particular action, but you can select the action as my meeting is cancelled, a meeting starts, a meeting ends. So here I'm going to select my action event. So here I'm selected my action event as my meeting is confirmed. And then I'm going to click on this continue. And then here it is asking me to add a filter. So here if you wish to add a filter or a condition to your trigger, then you can do it as per your need. But here I don't want to add any other filter or condition. So here I'm going to leave it blank and then I'm going to click on this continue. Now by clicking on this continue, here it is asking me to select my action application. So here for my action application, I'm going to select my action application as Webhook over here because I'm going to use Webhook to connect my Mixmax account with Pabbly Connect. So here you can see after clicking on that Webhook action, you can see it is asking me to set up the Webhook. And here in this window, it is asking me to give the Webhook URL. So here we are going to enter the webhook URL that we have received in our Pabbly's workflow. So this is my webhook URL. And now here after entering this webhook URL, I'm going to click on this activate and close. So here you can see we have successfully set up a webhook inside our Mixmax account. And here you can see the rule which we have created with the name new meeting. So moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here you can see now it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to confirm a meeting invitation. So for that, let me take you to my meeting invitation. So this is my meeting invitation page, and here I'm going to book a meeting and do a test submission. So here let's suppose that I'm going to book a meeting for a Wednesday, that is August 28th, and here I'm going to select the time as 11 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. And then here it is asking me to enter my name and my email and phone number. So here for the name, I'm going to enter the name as dummy, user, and email as dummy444@pablytudes.com. And here I'm going to enter some random phone number. And now here, after entering all the required data, I'm going to click on this book now button given over here. And here you can see we have successfully booked a meeting over here. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have successfully received a response over here where we have received the timestamp, scrolling little down, invite title, time zone, and the starting and ending time slots, scrolling little down. Also, we have received the guest name, guest email, event name, and the phone number. So with this, we have successfully set up a connection between our Mixmax and Pabbly Connect. So once we have set up this connection, then whenever a meeting invitation is confirmed, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture a response. And after receiving the confirmation, automatically you can further transfer this data to any other application by simply connecting that application with Pabbly Connect in this action step given below. Okay, so these were the steps to how to set up a webhook inside Mixmax. I hope these steps were clear to you. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can contact us on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can contact us on www.pabbly.com. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.